Is she gonna eat it? Get that cat.
Why do you want to do the commercial?
Sleeping.
You couldn't make love.
She's like, I do not care that you're a pit bull and you're just looking right at me. Leave me the fuck alone.
Yeah, exactly. You're so, but you gotta like do something. Look at Nigel, you're so chill.
I want to eat it. I'm gonna eat you.
Sophie, Nigel's cool. He's not gonna do anything. So chill out.
Because this happens when we're not. Oh, stop!
Hey!
Oh man.
God damn it.
See, and that would happen when we're not here, Mal. We can't do that. Can't do that. You know, come on, man. That would happen again.